I'm Brooklyn.
And I'm Amaya.
Welcome to Race Week.
We are Cougar Strong Racing 555 team members from Lone Cave Middle School. This week, we are preparing for our next race,
Indian Trail in Wetumpka, Alabama.
Our picture has been working hard to fine-tune our F24.
Our drivers have been studying the course route.
And we've been working hard on our team presentation, which was a 2-page magazine article.
After 3 race fits so far this season, we are sitting in first place for F24 Intermediate Stock with a 296 points out of 300.
This Saturday, we will be competing against 12 other middle school teams, and we are hoping to make the Indian Trail our 4th consecutive first place overall finish this season.
There's no charge for admission, so come out and watch the exciting racing action or watch the live timing data on Race Monitor.
Be sure to like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
And also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I want to give a huge shout out to our platinum sponsor, Trackmobile. Since 1948, the most trusted brand in railcar movers.
And our gold sponsors, Capital Investment Services, Bryan Electric, Point Buy Photography, Collins Bank, and Team Mountain.
We couldn't do this without you, and we appreciate your support.
We will see you at the finish line.